So, in early 2026, the CEO of Honda, one of the world's biggest car makers, said something stunning.
And it came right after he visited a super automated car parts factory in Shanghai.
So what exactly did he see that was so terrifying? Well, it reveals a massive crisis. Okay, so Honda's big EV plan for North America? Yeah, that came to a screeching halt. Just like that, the company canceled 3 of its most important flagship EV models. And that decision, it came with a massive price tag in potential future losses.
But this wasn't just about the money. This was about straight-up survival. 2 big things hit them at once. First, the US EV market slowed down. The second, way worse. Honda's bosses realized they were getting absolutely crushed by something called China speed.
Think about it. Chinese rivals go from idea to car on the road before legacy brands even finish a design.
The result of all this? A total collapse of their sales in China, the biggest car market.
Their factories are running at half capacity, which is way below what they need to even break even.
But look, this isn't just a Honda problem. Other big-time auto CEOs are saying the same thing.
Ford's CEO, Jim Farley, didn't mince words with his warning. And even Toyota, the world's biggest car maker, is admitting they might not survive this.
So how is Honda fighting back? Well, they're actually going back to their roots. First, they're beefing up their successful hybrid models. Second, they're totally rethinking innovation.
To do that, they're bringing back their independent R&D unit, something they actually got rid of.
The whole goal is to give engineers more freedom. They're hoping to recapture that old magic.
And to show they're serious, top execs are taking big pay cuts for these failures. So yeah, Honda is trying to steer the ship in a new direction. But that speed problem, it's still there. See, overhauling a company this big takes years, and their new competitors, they're not waiting around.
So is betting on an old strategy the right play for this brand new fight, or is it too little, too late?